You need at least 3 months of reliably hot sunny weather to grow and ripen a watermelon. Average daily temperature should be at least 20 to 25 degrees Celsius or 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Warmer is even better. Summer is the best time to grow watermelon. This fruit needs abundant supply of water and nutrients. Watermelons prefer a soil pH between 6 and 7, which is slightly acidic. To germinate the seeds, we need to sort the good seeds by removing the seeds from the watermelon and transfer it to a bowl of water. Then the healthy seeds which settle at the bottom of the container should be sown. Make small holes around 1 to 2 cm deep and water it twice daily. The seedlings can be later repotted to a minimum 14-inch pot or plastic sack. The vines produce male and female flowers separately on the same plant. They often produce male flowers several weeks before female flower appears. Do not be concerned if the male flowers fall off. The female flowers, which has a swollen bulb at the base, will stay on the vine and bear fruit. We have not hand pollinated the flowers since there were bees in our garden. We planted two varieties of seeds in a single sack and you can see the difference in the color. When they grow, pot size should be at least 14 inch.